all are fit fine. Dear students, today we will start our video with the pledge to fight against COVID-19. Let's take the pledge. I, Manpreet Kaur, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. Dear students, today we will do the combined cursive alphabets from Q to T. In the previous assignment we have done from N to P, and today we will continue from Q to T. Let's start. First of all, make a round like this and bring the line downwards, and now again make a round between these two lines and bring the line downwards and slanting line. What is this? Capital Q and small q. Next R. First of all make a standing line and curve, then round, again slanting line, and now make a small r like this. Q, R, next S. First of all make a slanting line like this and then curve, round, again make a small s between these two black lines. Capital S and small s. Q, R, S, T. First of all make a sleeping line, then standing line and curve, again small t like this. Once again I will repeat the formation. First of all make a round like this and then bring the line downwards up to the black line and round, standing line and slanting line like this. Q, next R. First of all make a standing line like this, then curve and round and again slanting line and smaller, round and curve. Capital R and small r. Next S. What we are doing? Combined cursive alphabets Q, R, S, T. First of all make a slanting line, then round, again round and now small s. Next T. Make a sleeping line like this, standing line and curve and make a small t like this. Now again we will do the E sound words as we have done these words in the previous assignment also. Once again we will revise this topic. Let's start. L, E, G, leg. B, E, G, bag. P, E, N, pen. Next H, E, N, hen. T, E, N, ten. Okay students, let's revise it once again. What we are doing? E sound words. L, E, G, leg. B, E, G, bag. P, E, N, pen. H, E, N, hen, T-E-N, ten. Okay students, you have to do this work at your fair notebook and you have to learn these words, E sound words, and also you have to write the combined cursive alphabets from Q to T on your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.